Hello friends, and highly welcome back to my channel. Today we have something unique I want to share with us. Yes, if you want to get rid of gecko, spider, flies, all those things that used to disturb you at home, like, but I'll tell you, please make sure your environs are clean. Okay, if they are clean and those things keep coming, like cockroach, can be so irritating at times. Gecko, mention them, they're just so numerous. But before I continue, I would like to tell you this: I love you guys, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, hello, just click on the subscribe button beside you and then the bell icon beside you for notification, so that whenever I post my videos, you will see them right on your phone. Okay, so if you want to know how to produce things that will clear them, like clear all, don't touch that phone, don't touch that channel. Yes, I'm telling you, just click on the subscribe button and you enjoy the video. Yes, I said it. The first thing we'll be needing for this procedure is our kerosene. Yes, very much needed, very much important. That is the water we'll be needing. So the bigger your kerosene, the bigger your quantity of production. Okay, so when you get your kerosene, you can say you have to get camphor. Very much needed. Like, this camphor can in fact, it has a lot of um how do I put it, benefit in this procedure. Like, you cannot, even if you don't have other things that will be adding, please try and use camphor for this procedure if you want to prepare your own. So when you get to camphor, you put it in a mortar, or if you don't have mortar like this, you can get paper, use stone and crush it. All I need for you to do for me is just to crush it for me. Yes, so anyhow you want to crush it, whether you put it in a paper or maybe nylon, put it, wrap it there and then crush it. You know what I mean now? Improvise. Okay, after crushing it, we have to, you can say, it doesn't take time, just bam, everything is done. Though I did it behind the camera, but it does little time. Okay, I've just have to try and make sure that everything there is you know well, yeah, well crushed. All right, when we get it, you can see me. No, I don't really have funnel, so I have to use paper. Improvise. You know what I mean? Now I don't really have funnel, little funnel for those. So use paper, produce a funnel, and then that's fine. Pour it there. You can see. Have to be taking it little by little, because if you pour it, like, if you put in much, it may pull off and everything there will just scatter. So you can know, you know too well that those things can be so annoying. I can't even mention them. I can't even, sometimes insects from nowhere will be, disturbing at home, and you may not feel comfortable about the whole thing. Sorry, just don't worry. Try and get yourself this, and I promise you, you will be fine. Like, everything will be normal again. Now, when you get those things, you pour in there. That's fine. I'm done putting that particular. Sorry, I need it behind the camera. Sorry. Then the next thing I'll be getting is my salt. Okay, you can see the salt there. Yeah, I'll be using my salt. I'll be using my normal salt. You can see that's my comfort. Now is my salt. You can use your cooking salt, any kind of, as long as it's salt, normal salt. But if you have sea salt, eh, then yeah, sea salt. That one is so powerful. I don't know, but I will talk more about that particular. If you want to know more about it, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I will talk about sea salt. It is very much needed in our homes. I'm telling you. So I'm trying to add like 3 teaspoon of this, like 3 spoonful of my cooking salt. Remember, the higher the quantity, the higher what you'll be needing for this. So I didn't mean I'm producing something that will maybe 1 liter, every all the ingredients will increase. So if you, then the next thing I'll be needing, sorry, is my nito. That is my detergent. So you can use any detergent of your choice. We have clean, we have sunlight, we have area, we have many of them. Mention them. I can't even remember all. So I'm using Nito for this procedure. So when you get your Nito, you add like 3 spoons, just like the way I added my salt. Okay, you can add like 3 to 4 spoons of it, and then you can see, yeah, you can see, yeah, you can see it. I'm adding. So when you are done adding it, the next thing we'll be adding is our garlic. Why will you add garlic? Though I will not be adding garlic now because I produced the one of garlic yesterday. If you want to produce the one, like if your work gecko, the one at home is maybe the spiritual ones you don't really understand, please add garlic to it. The smell of garlic will scare them away. In fact, if even if you don't want to add garlic to it, use garlic and drop at every corner of your house. Not just Yes, it is not just for cooking or doing other things. It is highly needed in performing some spiritual rites. Yes, I mean garlic. So that will bring us to the end of today's video. And don't forget to leave the premises once you spray it. Yeah, leave your room, and whenever you back, make sure you clean them up. Make sure you clean your utensils before using. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.